Alright, so we've got onions. We didn't have carrots, so we used parsnips, chili peppers that have been dried for quite a while, celery, some Italian seasonings, a piece of ginger, black pepper, salt. I'm just letting this kind of sizzle and caramelize before we put in the fish heads. Now you can see there's a nice red snapper fish head, and then what we did is we've taken out the gills and washed them out very cleanly to get all the blood sacs out, and then that's going to go into this pot, get covered with water, and put on a low simmer for about an hour. Alright, we'll check back in. Alright, let's grab the fish. So you can see how these are pretty big fish heads, so we had to get a very large pot. I'm going to get everything just submerged, and that looks good. So it's on a medium heat. That's big enough. We've got to cover two burners, you see. So we've got the front and the back going. But we're going to let that go and keep an eye on it so it doesn't actually come to a boil, but comes to a nice simmer about an hour. And these fish heads will be falling apart, goodness. And then we'll strain everything and get down to some really awesome stock. All right.
Oh, towel them.
Not on the ground. Okay. There's that. And we want a bowl for stuff.
Right. Oh, we have that.
All right.
My tongs.
Yeah.
Take that. Maybe those will work better. Made the tongs.
Look at that. It really comes apart.
Yeah, right?
Wow.
It's really good though.
Try it.
I know, it's
Super
too hot. I
hot.
can't grab it. You know, they talk about like the cheeks.
Yeah.
I bet that's what this is.
Yeah.
You got it?
Oh, look at that thing. Eyeballs.
Yeah.
Cooked down.
Look at the teeth.
Yeah, look at that bad boy.
We're gonna give that to Antonio for Christmas. Here's a jaw. Here's a fish jaw.
Smells so good.
Doesn't it?
Even with no sense of smell, I can smell this. This is really cool. This is going to be great for our soup.
No, it's part of the space.
They're like the ones from Raiders of the Lost Ark. Trying not to scrape the bottom. Yeah, look at it all kind of just all sloughing off. Wow. This soup is going to be great.
Wow. That's so cool.
Look at Another bag of heads.
Yeah. Well, and I think this is going to be a great idea, you know, to tell us like, oh no, maybe we should add wine or, you know.
All right.
There's a piece of onion right there on the side. There you go.
Oh,
Yeah.
came out to the side.
Oh, I guess you'll
That'll
make
fit
it.
just fine.
All right, so
Yes, still hot.
yeah, sorry. That's what I just said.
Okay. All right.
Okay. There you go.
Not, it doesn't look like a lot of sediment.
Really?
Eyeballs. There's some eyeballs.
Okay. Do you want me to bring the trash can over?
Bring the other bowl over here that has the
Okay.
fish heads.
Okay. Oh my god, it really is an eyeball.
All right.
Yeah?
Fish stock.
Wow.
Done.
I know.
All
I'm
right.
impressed.
Ready for tomorrow.
It doesn't smell like gross. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it looks really good. It's got a great color to it. I don't know that I'm quite ready to taste it, but
We'll try it out tomorrow.